We are here. We have landed in Grímsá and it's really beautiful here. I'm gonna show you.
To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are never said. I spilled my coffee, I don't feel like talking. My worries just keep growing by the day. I need a moment where the green and blue appear, to spin a rock and watch the ricochet. To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore.
Hello everybody, my name is Gisli and I'm with the team Vlogers. This group that I'm in, we are going to take you to test all the activities in Iceland that you can do. If you are planning to coming to Iceland or want to explore Iceland, we will recommend a few things and test them ourselves and make a show out of it. We're gonna vlog everything, but this is just this is a young channel, so please can help us make the channel grow by hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps YouTube algorithm because we really want this channel to grow and be something, and then we can make more shows. We'll try to be funny, and we are funny, but this is like in this show, this is I've never done salmon fishing or fly fishing for that, and it's something else. It really touches you. Just the sound of the river, the weather, the view, everything. It was so beautiful in this show. I was actually pretty amazed, and I want to thank my dad for taking me onto this trip, and hopefully you will enjoy it also. And without further ado, let's start the show. The first one is here. It's not big, but it's a fish. I told you in the beginning when we were coming here, we just need a fish. It's not salmon, it's sjóbirtingur. What do you call it in English? Troll. Okay. Another one.
Gisli, ekki halda línu.
Nei.
Kurva, hann flott. Patti, hann var að hefða þetta.
Já.
Ég veitur að hefða sjóbirting.
Tjöfull tók hann samt aggressíft maður. Flugan alveg í gegnum sko.
Fish number 2, people. It could be bigger, but fish is always a fish. Hvað fenguð þið marga?
Nei, byrju.
Svona.
Svona.
Ég var ekki að tala tippa á yngar, sko.
Nei, það er tvíhenda.
Það er tvíhenda.
Það erum að tala tvíhendu.
Sjáu þið hérna, veðrið hérna maður. Uss, regnbogi yfir allt.
Þetta er svolítið skrítið en
we're talking about it now. Now Now it's the time for the fish.
Yeah, won't take.
He will take now. So
Cool.
we will stay tuned and hopefully we will see some salmon jumping. It's a little bit windy over here and it's getting colder. So it's getting colder, but the sun is going down. But it's beautiful. It's extremely beautiful. And this river is something else. It's pretty big.
Action!
Action!
Gisli með þetta. Við sættum hjá Gisla. Þetta bara rám Gisli. Hvernig líst okkur á þetta?
Bara vel.
Já.
Hvað er planið í dag, strákar?
Það bara...
Við ætlum að veiða...
Það er að veiða fisk?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 fiska.
5 á mann! 5 á mann! 5 á mann.
Það kíkja í...
My first fly fishing salmon. Boom, 63 centimeters. So, yeah, wow, the feeling feels really good. We have the weather is okay with us over here, but the guys were calling, they're more down the river and the weather is like pouring rain. So wow, I can't stop smiling. The feeling. Okay, I'm actually getting addicted to this. This is something you have to try if you come to Iceland. Wow. Damn, I'm almost crying. I'm so happy. Yep. We have another one. Nei!
Nei, Helgi.
Oh!
Það var gaman að sjá hann.
Oh!
Má við kasta.
It was a big one. Damn, we lost it. Now we're fishing at the bridge. You can see it here. And there's 4 salmons. They're pretty big ones. And one of them is huge. So my dad's is making a try for it, a run for it or something. But we would really want one fish more before we stop. We have about 30 minutes left of fishing time before lunch. We have a spotter on the bridge, and there's a guy we are fishing with. They're over there. This is my dad. You would think there's guys fishing here. There are more jeeps coming. But now we have to eat and rest the river for 2 hours. So I'll see you. Hvað ætlar að hafa marga eftir?
Það 2.
2. Það verða 2 eftir. Það sjá þetta flott.
Við erum á 2. Það er lága.
73 pitch strengir. Ásæll 88, 80, 85.
Það er kljúa bara síðasta veitinum að kljúa.
Now it's time to check if we see some fish. Ekki nála þeir. In a fishing trips like this, you need a car with big tires. Hell yeah! Hvað er þetta? Annar er 3. fiskurinn?
Annar?
Já. Þá erum við orðin jafnir.
Stóru strákarnir?
Stóru strákarnir. Þetta er ekki fyrir pjattrófur, skal ég segja ykkur. En það fyrir að rigna helviti vel á okkur. Hvað fenguðu marga?
Það var lítið.
Það var lítið.
2.
Gisli, varstu norðurvaxinn?
Á flugu?
Þú tókst hann undir brúnni, var ekki?
Ég er miskuldið.
Fekk fyrsta flugulaxinn.
Er það ekki það Gisli?